AI news channels are exploding right now, and some creators are getting millions of views without showing their face, without a team, and without expensive software. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step system to create cinematic AI news videos using completely free tools. From finding trending topics, to writing scripts, generating AI visuals, voiceover, editing, and exporting the final viral video. And trust me, beginners can do this. Before we start, take a look at what you'll be able to create after watching this video.
Right now, while you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is learning faster than any technology in human history, and some experts are quietly warning we may have already crossed the point of no return. A few years ago, AI was making funny mistakes online. People laughed at it. Nobody thought it was dangerous. But then suddenly, AI started writing, coding, creating videos, even thinking in ways researchers didn't expect. Inside secret labs, scientists watched AI systems solve problems they were never trained to solve.
And the crazy part? Everything you're seeing was made using free AI tools. Now let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. Now the first thing you need is a viral topic, because even the best editing can't save a boring idea. And honestly, most beginners waste hours searching randomly. But here's the smarter way. Open ChatGPT and use prompts like this. Give me 20 viral AI news video ideas that are trending in the USA right now. Make them curiosity-driven and beginner-friendly. Now don't just pick any topic. Choose topics that trigger emotions like fear, excitement, shock, curiosity, future predictions. For example, AI just passed a point of no return and nobody's ready. These kinds of titles make people click. Once you find a strong topic, now it's time to turn that idea into a professional AI news script using ChatGPT. Now once you find a topic, open ChatGPT and use a prompt like this. Write a highly engaging YouTube script about AI just passed a point of no return and nobody's ready. Use storytelling, suspense, curiosity hooks, and simple English for a USA audience. ChatGPT will instantly generate intro hooks, story structure, explanations, ending CTA. But don't just copy everything blindly. Your job is to make the script feel human. Add emotions, shocking lines, future predictions, and dramatic transitions. Because viral videos feel like stories, not lectures. Now this is where your video starts looking cinematic instead of boring. Once ChatGPT gives you the full script, don't generate visuals randomly. First, break the script into scenes. So use this prompt, break this YouTube script into cinematic scene-by-scene video shots. For each scene include visual description, camera angle, cinematic style, lighting, emotions, and detailed text-to-video prompt for AI generation. Style should look like a futuristic AI documentary for a USA audience. ChatGPT will generate something like this. This step is super important, because better scene planning shocks better visuals. And better visuals, higher audience retention. Alright, now comes the most exciting part. We're going to turn those scene prompts into cinematic AI videos using Google Flow. Now go to labs.google and create a new project. Now copy one scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow. Don't use simple prompts. The more cinematic and detailed your prompt is, the better your AI video looks. Google Flow will now generate AI video shots, cinematic movements, realistic lighting, futuristic scenes, and documentary-style visuals automatically. Now your cinematic AI scenes are ready, but without a strong voiceover, the video won't feel professional. So now let's create an AI narration voice. Now let's create the voiceover in the easiest way possible using CapCut. Open CapCut. Then create a new project. Now go to text to speech, and paste your full script there. Now for the voice, choose the character called Adam, because Adam's voice sounds clean, professional, and perfect for USA-style AI news videos. Now click Generate Voice. And CapCut will automatically create the full narration for your video. Before exporting, listen carefully and remove weird pauses, robotic words, or pronunciation mistakes. Small fixes make a huge difference in quality. Now your AI visuals and voiceover are ready. So let's combine everything together and edit the final viral AI news video. Inside CapCut, import AI video clips from Google Flow, the AI voiceover. Now place the clips according to the narration. Here's the secret behind viral editing. Never let the screen feel static. Every few seconds, change the clip, add zoom effects, use transitions, add subtitles, and include cinematic motion. Always add captions, because many viewers watch videos without sound. And subtitles also increase retention. Once everything looks good, export the video in 1080p or 4K, 60 FPS if possible. Now your AI news video is ready for YouTube. And that's exactly how you can create viral AI news videos using completely free tools. No camera, no expensive software, no editing experience, just smart AI workflows and good storytelling. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. And comment below what type of AI videos you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.